Good morning, everyone. It is December 31st actually, so it's the last day of 2019. And today I thought that I would just go ahead and do kind of like a winter break morning routine-ish type thing, day in my life. I don't really know how long I'm gonna film for. Today's actually our first like really nice day. Well, the sun's out. The past couple days it's been very cloudy but warm. So today it's a little bit cooler, but the sun's out so it feels warmer. But yeah, it's so nice out. My dad and I are about to head down to the beach. Yeah, we're in South Carolina on vacation right now and the view is just beautiful. I'm staring out the window right now. The lighting always gets messed up, but you guys can kind of see it. The ocean's right there. We had the prettiest sunset last night and I just love the beach. The beach is like my happy place. They're doing yard work, so we're gonna switch locations. Finished getting ready, nothing crazy. I just like washed my face, brushed my teeth, and changed. I did put a bathing suit on even though it's still pretty chilly outside, so I'm probably gonna throw a sweatshirt over top. Hoping I'll be able to lay out in just my bathing suit. But just in case, because it's a little bit cooler down on the beach than up here at the resort. But yeah, this top I got at Target on sale a couple weeks ago. It's super cute. It's like this sage green color. These shorts, I always get questions about these. They're from American Eagle. And then I just have some basic black bottoms on. I think I'm going to throw on my Lauterbrunnen t-shirt that I wore yesterday. My beach bag is out in the common area. It's got my phone. I'm gonna grab my headphones. It's a little bit later now. I am heading to the gym. I have not worked out like all week in a gym, just like biking and walking, so I'm gonna try and get a good workout in. Yay, no one's here. I love having empty gyms to myself because I can do whatever I want, and I don't really know how to use most of this equipment, so I can play around and no one will laugh at me. I really don't ever work out in gyms, so I'm probably just gonna do some standard stuff. I might do the elliptical for a little bit, do some weights for my arms, and then some ab stuff, and that's probably it. Just keep it short and simple. Using machines is way more efficient and difficult than my at-home workouts, so I'm dying. Finished with my workout. It went pretty well. I don't know how I feel about the actual gym, but I feel like I really got a good sweat in, so that's good. Headed back to the room. My mom's making dinner.